AI is not going to build your business for you. AI is everywhere right now, and people are hyping it up like it's some kind of magic button that's going to build your entire business for you while you sit on the beach sipping that pina colada. You know, I hate to break it to you, but that is a fantasy. AI will not build your business for you. But, listen up, when used the right way, AI can be the most powerful assistant you have ever had in your entrepreneurial journey. Let's talk about how to use it smartly, without losing that human touch. Because here's the reality. Most people jump into AI hoping it's going to replace all their hard work. They want it to write their content, they want it to build their funnels, they want it to respond to their customers, even close sales for them. But that approach fails because the human element is missing, okay? Remember, people buy you. They don't buy your product or service. Business, especially online business, it's still built on trust and relationships and connections. So if people don't feel like they know you, you all heard the know, like, and trust factor, they're not going to buy from you no matter how slick your AI-generated copy looks. Listen, I've fallen for it, right? When I first discovered AI, I made the same exact mistake. I thought, great, this tool is going to do everything for me. I can go on with my life, my business, so it's going to be built over here by AI. But the truth, didn't work. AI is not my replacement, and it's not your replacement. It's an assistant. Think of it like hiring the world's smartest intern, okay? It can brainstorm, it can outline, it can edit, it can even speed up your work, but it's not you. Your voice, your experience, your ability to connect with people, that's irreplaceable. So the winning formula is combining AI's speed with your authenticity, all right? Let's talk about 3 ways that AI becomes your top assistant, okay? Number 1, content creation accelerator. So blank screens are the enemy of every single marketer, experienced or inexperienced. So instead of spending hours staring at your cursor, use AI to generate topic ideas, headlines, even rough drafts of emails, blog posts, or videos. Then what you can do is you can step in and you can inject your personality, your stories, your humor, your perspective. AI gives you the skeleton, right? The framework. You provide the soul. Number 2 is market research on steroids. You want to know what your audience is thinking, what their objections are, what language resonates with them? AI can scan forums, reviews, trends, then summarize those insights for you. You're going to understand your customer faster and deeper than you could on your own. That means you're no longer guessing. You're building offers that match real needs. Number 3, productivity and workflow booster. So AI can streamline your workflow like nothing else, from organizing data, summarizing meetings, to drafting social media calendars or email sequences. AI keeps you moving, but here's the key, right? You don't outsource your vision. You stay the leader. You decide the strategy, the message, the direction. AI just executes. It clears the clutter so that you can focus on building those relationships and growing your own brand. Now, take a second, just picture this, okay? Instead of drowning in busy work, AI handles the heavy lifting for you while you focus on what matters most, which again is connecting with audience members, right? Serving your customers, scaling your business. That's how the best marketers are winning right now. They're not hiring or hiding behind AI. They're using it to amplify their voice and free up time to build real connections. Now, listen up, okay? Remember, AI is not going to build your business for you, okay? But if you treat it like your smartest assistant, so smart, then it can literally change everything for you, okay? Start by trying one of the 3 strategies I shared today, either content creation or research or productivity. And if you try 2 of those and want to inject the 3rd, do it that way. But watch how much faster and clearer your business is going to grow. And hey, if you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button, okay? Join me each week as we uncover smarter ways to use AI, build your brand, and create the business and the life that you truly want and deserve. I'll see you in the next video.